money, okay? But of course, it is appreciated as you support them that they embark on a new journey of their lives as husband and wife. Maraming salamat po. Kung may dala po kayong sarili ninyong regalo at gift po or gift sa ating bawang kasal, pwede nyo rin po dalhin dito. Ayan, upang personal mong ibigay sa kanila. Ayan. Sige po, huwag po tayong mahiya. Ano po kung nahihiya kayo o mahihiyain po kayo. Tayo lang po tayo. Lapitan niyo po ang ating bagong kasal. Seniors, Wheels, congratulations, wishes and prayers as you bestow upon them your gift of love. Maraming salamat po.
Congrats, ma'am. Saka doon? Pinakabalag ko.
Nakalisa.
Pinakabalag ko. Gift ko.
Dito ang kaya ka. Sabi niya mo ng kaya ka.
Ma!
There you have it, ladies and gentlemen. Palakpakan po natin. Maraming salamat. Palakpakan po natin ang bawang isa for your generosity and love for our lovely couple. And of course, we now invite you po. Sige po, ihabol na lang po natin dito as we proceed po sa ating next segment. Maraming And now, ladies and gentlemen, we now proceed to our next tradition. One of the sweetest tradition during wedding celebration, the cake cutting ceremony. Kim and Maynard, you may now proceed po sa ating cake table to cut the cake.